You will find this video right before this connection comes to fruition. There was a person, a connection in your life which was going a bit dicey. So it's like your partner was stuck and caught up in different things. You were caught up in different things. So there was like mismatch of timelines between the two of you. Now is the time when the connection is coming to fruition, and you will watch this video right before you get into that connection. So for some of you, you might believe that this is your twin flame, this is your soulmate, you have shared a past life connection with this person, but because of some reason there was always this misalignment between the two of you, and now is the time when the two of you actually come into union with each other. And this is your sign that you were not confused, you were not stupid to think that this connection is actually something. And yes, it was actually something, and you were just not in alignment with each other. And now is the time when you come into this divine union with this person. We will get some cards and see what you should be aware of and what you should be potentially doing, and what can you actually expect before this connection comes to fruition. Let's get into it. Alright, with the Knight of Cups, you can expect an offer. You can expect this person to come towards you and give you their cup of love, offer you their cup of love. And the Hangman reverse, like I said, the stagnant energy is finally coming to an end. The stagnation period is actually coming to an end, and now is the time when things will finally move forward. Nothing is coincidence in this world, and everything you are coming across is gonna play a huge role in the divine union that you guys are about to experience. Right? Let's get some more cards. We have the Queen of Cups reversed. Okay, in the past, this person might have motivated you not to be emotionally open and vulnerable in front of them. So maybe this person was not really open to receiving any emotional feelings or emotional energy towards them. At the bottom, we have the King of Cups. Queen of Cups, King of Cups, this is your divine fucking counterpart. I don't know why I cursed. I really don't know why I cursed. But this is your divine counterpart. This is your person. Both of you were not looking at each other. Like I said, there was misalignment of vibrations. There was misalignment of timelines between the two of you. But now you guys will come together. This is Knight of Cups, King and Queen of Cups, the Hangman reverse. Everything just literally validated what I just said in the very beginning of the video. We have Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, things were pretty slow, but in the upcoming time also, you are building the relationship towards 10 of Cups with the energy of Saturn. Now, Saturn is a very slow moving planet. Saturn is a very slow moving energy, but it moves with stability, and anything and everything which is built with the energy of Saturn cannot be broken, cannot go back to how it was in the past. So you are building this 10 of Cups, Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, the Sun. Oh my goodness. You are building this new beginning and this stable foundation with your partner with the influence of the Saturn energy, which means that slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady, you guys are moving towards your happily ever after with this person. And the connection that you guys are building cannot be shaken, cannot be broken, cannot be drifted away from each other. And this is your sign that you were not stupid all this while to think that this was your person. Because I think the universe, the situation, the life happened in such a way between the two of you that you maybe doubted yourself. You doubted the situations. The situation made you doubt yourself, and the situation made you doubt this connection with your partner, but you were not a fool. Oh, soulmate. Like I said, you might believe like this is your soulmate. We have, yes, this is your soulmate. I really want to give you a closure picture to this. Wait. Yes, this is your soul mate. Guys, this is your confirmation. I want you to claim this reading in the comment section below. Go type 222 and do let me know if you believe wholeheartedly that your union is coming in. I think you guys have been doubting your journey so much. Oh my God, literally calling in your soulmate. calling in your soulmate. This is your soulmate, guys. So I think you have been doubting your connection a lot these days, and this is why this video is showing up on your FYP. And even if you are my subscriber, this is still gonna resonate with you. You guys have a golden subscription to the messages. We are getting to know each other. So there will come a time where both of you will get to know each other all over again, which is going to be really beneficial for you guys' connection. What else do you need to know? I feel like pulling out some more cards for you guys. What else do they need to know about their connection with their soulmate? My phone is literally giving me a headache now. We have recovery. You are recovering. The relationship is recovering. The connection that the two of you shared is actually coming to healing, and we have let go in reverse. So this is not the time when you let go of this connection, right? So I think that's pretty much the message. That's pretty much what I have for you guys. Do let me know if this was your reading. Follow me on Instagram for more such readings. I post there daily. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give it a thumbs up. Do let me know in the comment section if this was your reading. Sending you so much love and light. And for personal readings, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can book that from the link in the description box below. Sending so much love and light. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.